Kimchi is a Korean dish. It is made with fermented vegetables. Cabbage is very popular for kimchi. Kimchi is spicy and tangy. It is very good for you. Many people eat kimchi every day. You can eat kimchi with many things. It is great with rice. You can put it in soup. It can be added to noodles. Kimchi makes everything taste better. Let's learn how to make it. Let's gather our ingredients. Making kimchi at home is a rewarding experience, and it all starts with the right ingredients. You will need Napa cabbage. This is the main ingredient and forms the base of your kimchi. This is a long cabbage. It's also known as Chinese cabbage and has a mild, sweet flavor. It is also called Chinese cabbage. You need salt. Salt is crucial for drawing out moisture and beginning the fermentation process. Gochugaru is Korean chili powder. This vibrant red powder is what gives kimchi its signature color and heat. It gives kimchi its color and spice. Adjust the amount based on your heat preference. You need garlic and ginger. These add flavor. Fresh garlic and ginger provide a pungent, aromatic depth to the kimchi. You will also need fish sauce. This ingredient adds a savory, umami flavor that is essential to traditional kimchi. It makes the kimchi taste savory. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you can skip this ingredient. Don't have fish sauce? That's okay. There are alternatives. You can use soy sauce. While it won't provide the same depth of flavor, it is a good substitute. It won't taste the same, but it will still be tasty. Soy sauce adds its own unique flavor profile, but it will still be tasty. Experiment with the quantities to find your perfect balance. You can find these ingredients at Asian markets. These stores often have a wide variety of fresh and authentic ingredients. Some grocery stores have them too. Check the international aisle or specialty sections for what you need. First, chop the cabbage. Make sure to use a sharp knife for clean cuts and to ensure safety. A dull knife can slip and cause accidents. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. This will help the cabbage absorb the flavors more evenly and make it easier to eat later. Put the cabbage in a bowl. Sprinkle salt on it. Mix it well. The salt will draw out moisture from the cabbage, making it tender and ready to absorb the paste. Let it sit for an hour. This resting period is crucial for the salt to work its magic on the cabbage. The salt will make the cabbage soft. Next, make the paste. This paste is the heart of your kimchi, providing all the rich flavors. Mince the garlic and ginger. Freshly minced ingredients will give a more vibrant taste to your kimchi. Mix them with gochugaru and sauce. Add a little water. Make a thick paste. The consistency should be thick enough to coat the cabbage evenly. Now, add the paste to the cabbage. Be generous with the paste to ensure every piece is well coated. Mix it well with your hands. Using your hands helps to massage the paste into the cabbage, ensuring even distribution. Make sure all the cabbage is coated. This will ensure that every bite is packed with flavor. Pack the kimchi into a jar. Press it down firmly. Make sure to use a clean jar to avoid any contamination. The pressing helps to remove air pockets, which is crucial for proper fermentation. Leave some space at the top. Close the lid tightly. This space allows gases to escape during fermentation. A tight lid ensures no unwanted bacteria get in. Let it sit at room temperature for a few days. This is called fermentation. You will see bubbles. These bubbles are a sign that the fermentation process is active and healthy. This means it is working. The bubbles indicate that the beneficial bacteria are thriving and transforming the flavors. After a few days, taste your kimchi. The flavor will develop over time, becoming more complex and tangy. It should be sour and spicy. The balance of these flavors is what makes kimchi so unique and delicious. Now it's ready to eat. Enjoy it as a side dish or incorporate it into your meals. Kimchi is great with fried rice. It adds a burst of flavor and a satisfying crunch. Simply add chopped kimchi to your fried rice. The acidity of the kimchi complements the richness of the rice. Cook it for a few minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. The kimchi will add a tangy and spicy kick. Serve it hot and enjoy the delightful combination of textures and tastes.